Welcome! Your skin is amazing, and it changes throughout your life. What it needs in your 20s is different from what it needs in your 40s or beyond. Let's talk about focusing your skincare efforts to best support your skin at every stage. It's about adapting your routine as your skin evolves. Your 20s are all about prevention and building good habits. Focus on a consistent routine, cleanse, moisturize, and most importantly, protect. Daily sunscreen is non-negotiable. This is the single best thing you can do to prevent premature aging. Start using antioxidants like vitamin C to fight environmental damage. In your 30s, you might start noticing early signs of aging like fine lines. This is a great time to introduce targeted treatments. Consider adding a retinoid to your routine to help with cell turnover and collagen production. Hydration becomes even more crucial, so look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid. Gentle exfoliation can help maintain radiance. As you reach your 40s, collagen and elastin production slow down more significantly. Your skin might feel less firm and appear duller. Focus on ingredients that support collagen, like peptides or stronger retinoids if your skin tolerates them. Richer moisturizers can help combat dryness. Targeted serums for specific concerns like dark spots or loss of elasticity are beneficial. Mature skin often needs extra nourishment and support for its barrier function. Dryness can become a more prominent concern. Gentle cleansing is key to avoid stripping natural oils. Look for rich creams and facial oils that provide deep hydration and support the skin barrier. Ingredients like ceramides and fatty acids are wonderful. Continue using sunscreen and antioxidants. No matter your age, consistency is the most important factor. Find products that work for you and use them regularly. Listen to your skin, its needs can change based on season, stress, or lifestyle. Skincare is a journey, and adapting your routine helps your skin look and feel its best at every age. Which age group are you in? Drop it in the comments and hit the like button and subscribe to support us.